Greetings. Hello. Today we're going to be making a pickled plum, like these little fellows. Now, I've already started to de-seed them. Take the just in half, spin it round, and hook the seed out. So these, all I've done with these is to wash them. So I'm going to fill the jam jar with the plums, just like this. That's one, and like so. Maybe that one's got a. Should I have had a bigger, smaller jar? I don't know. Right. The next thing we do is we need washed bay leaves straight off your tree. I mean, you could probably have picked. I just picked the ones which are closest. I could have got so many leaves on the tree. I could have probably picked good ones to start with. So what this does, the bay leaf gives all sorts of qualities to the brew, including antiseptic qualities, which help to preserve the plums. Nothing's been boiled, only washed. So the next thing we're adding is some honey, and this is just normal liquid honey, and I'm not going to add an awful lot. I'm going to add a bit like that, and since I've almost used it up, I might as well use all of it up. But that is probably about less than a tablespoonful of honey. The next ingredient is turmeric. Now this adds a very small bit of flavour, but mainly it's for the colour, and I'm adding about that much colour, and also for the health benefits. The next ingredient is nutmeg. Again, it has health benefits, but also has lots of good flavours, and I'm having a healthy teaspoonful. Guarana powder, lots and lots of health properties, and we're going to add a good spoonful. It's a powdered fruit, I think it's a fruit pulp, the outer layer, I believe, if I remember rightly. So you can get that from a health food shop. You don't have to add this, but I like to. And the penultimate ingredient is the apple cider vinegar with the mother. This particular apple cider is very, very acid, very, very strong. People take it by the spoonful for their health, and it is so powerful it burns your gullet. So now, from my other videos, you'll notice that although this claims to have the mother, for some reason this particular bottle doesn't seem to have got the mother in it, and so I'm going to add a little bit extra, more than I would normally add. So we're going to add 1, 2, 3 of these small spoonfuls. 1, 2, 3. So now for the final ingredient, which of course is your filtered water. So we're giving it a good shake to get all the ingredients throughout the jar. So give it a final shake, and these will now stand on the counter in daylight and room light for at least 6 weeks. And please come back in 6 weeks' time and we will open them and do a test and review.